North Marine is a marine services company that specialises in the maintenance and installation of in-water infrastructure with commercial dive teams. We also offer tug and barge capabilities. We have a range of offshore supply capabilities, and amongst other things, we can offer tailored marine solutions to just about any project on the water. My name is Courtney Hanson and I am co-director of North Marine. We're a commercial dive business based here in North Queensland. My business partner Ben Hales is typically on site and in charge of a lot of our in-water supervision, and I typically deal with the business development and finding different projects for our company. As a result of the mission that we did last week between Edge ROV, North Marine, and sending the CSAM unit down to do the mooring inspection, we were able to ascertain that the wear in the chain links and the shackles that we saw on the mooring were so far gone that the entire unit had to be condemned. So our recommendation to our client is to replace their entire mooring system. Now, the advantage was that I didn't have to put a diver in the water to figure that out. The imagery that we were able to see from the CSAM was sufficient to show very bad wear on all of those tackle components on the mooring. And we were able to provide imagery to our client as well in the form of stills and video, so that they had some peace of mind that we were actually giving them really accurate and correct information.
Yeah, one of the observations that we found after our day on the water last week with the team from North Marine was just how easy the drone was to control in relation to its stability underwater. Because of the high tide and the 2 knots of current that we had at the time, and also the very poor underwater visibility because of all that fresh water running through, the fact that we were still able to capture a couple of really high quality images and some high quality video to allow the client to make an informed decision in relation to the state of their underwater moorings, which now North Marine have confirmed they'll replace because it no longer meets the standard. After our journey to Trinity Inlets last week, certainly one of the exciting features that CSAM has is the Natillo cloud. So that's the ability for us to be able to upload all those images and videos into a cloud environment that allows us to edit and bring out the points of interest in that particular video. It'll also provide us with the opportunity to be able to forward that to you as the owner of that business, but also then allow you to forward that onto the client so they can see in real time pretty much how we, and that would be made available the same day of the inspection.
To reference when a client, when we send the link to the client, anything of interest we found, like the chain or anything else we found throughout the dive, we can either do it on the day or if we're reviewing the footage. Anything else we found on a review, you can just put it there as well.
Yeah, that's going to be great, because I think that then gives a client also peace of mind and just that added layer of quality assurance that what we're telling you is actually what is happening underwater.
Precisely, because there could be a sense of, is it really required?
Absolutely.
Do I need those new mooring blocks? Can I just replace the chain? Which
absolutely.
Your clients are always wanting to do, but
correct.
As we discussed, sometimes it becomes a bit of a false economy in that regard by the time you spend the man hours replacing all that running gear and tackle, as opposed to just plonking new blocks in.
Correct.
Yeah.